Friends, welcome. In this video, you would get to know what are the opportunities available for data science internship for freshers in 2025. So, check these important opportunities and then you see the links in the description of this video and then check what would be suitable for you. So, first one is data scientist graduate 2025 in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Staff software engineer workspace search quality. Principal architect financial services Google Cloud. Staff software engineer YouTube. Cloud technical solutions engineer infrastructure compute. Senior data scientist research ads insight and measurement. Group business data scientist ML engineering. Senior data scientist product data and machine learning. Data scientist cloud supply and cloud chain and opportunities. So, and there are many others you would get to know after you see this video. See, in Microsoft, these are the opportunities available. Data and applied scientist 2, senior applied scientist, data and applied scientist 2, principal applied scientist. See, locations are given and when was it posted is also given, and see details link is also there. So check this after this video. Product manager 2, software engineer 2, senior software engineer 2, like this many are available. Now for Amazon, these opportunities are available. See, data scientist 2, senior data scientist, senior data scientist, senior data scientist payment risk, senior data scientist payment risk, data scientist app store. See here the locations are given. Here these details are given. After you click this, after this video you click the link and then you can click this link, you will get to know the details. So accordingly, there are many data scientist internship for freshers 2024 opportunities available. So better you check the link of this video and check in each company, Google, Amazon. First, my target is 100 likes for this video so that others can get this video also.